Hello everyone, this is me here again. Gosh, right from the time I made this hair, I've been getting a lot of compliments, a lot of positive words, and I said, let me share this. Let me just share this tip with my community, with my family. This is the hair I used. Okay, this is Zuri coils. You don't need to break the bank to look good. You don't need to break the bank. This set cost me just 4,000 naira, and literally I just used one pack, and I bought two packs and I was unable to finish the second pack. I just used one pack and a small little from this one, and boom, I made this hair. I don't even need to go to all this. I made this hair right in the market, where it didn't cost me nothing. It cost me nothing less than 10,000 naira to make this hair, and I'm looking like $1 million more. If you want to have this look, just go into the market, look for this hair. This is color, how do you call it again? This is color 27/16/613. This color, it has this combination. It has all dark colors. This is not an advert. It's not a paid advert. This is just me trying to, help my girlies. All right, have some fun. Use this and thank me later. Do well to subscribe to my video to get more of these tips. Bye. I love you.